If you are starting a business in Wisconsin, that is a great call. Whether you're launching a new side hustle or building your dream company from the ground up, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and keep things very simple. And this guide today will walk you through each step without the fluff. By the end, you will know exactly how to get your LLC off the ground in Wisconsin, what it'll cost, and how to do it right. Let's get into it. Now, before you do anything else, you've got to name your LLC. Wisconsin has a few ground rules here. Your name must be different from any other business on file with the state, and it must include the words limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or L.L.C. You can do a quick name search on the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions website to see if it's available. If you're not quite ready to file as well, that's no problem. You can reserve a name for 120 days by submitting a name reservation request and paying a $15 fee. Now let's talk about who's going to handle official mail for your business. Every LLC in Wisconsin needs a registered agent. It's basically someone or a company with a Wisconsin address who's around during business hours to accept legal or government documents. Now, you can be your own agent if you live in Wisconsin, or you can hire a professional service. Most services charge somewhere between $90 and $250 per year. A lot of business owners tend to go this route for privacy and peace of mind. Now this is the big step. You will file a document called the Articles of Organization with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. You can file online or by mail, but online is faster and easier for most folks. The filing fee is $130 if you file online and $170 if you go the paper route. Either way, you will need to include your LLC name, your registered agent's info, and your management structure, whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed. Now, double check everything before you hit submit. Typos can slow things down. Once your LLC is official, you will want to get an EIN from the IRS. This is your employer identification number. It's basically like a social security number for your business. You will need it to open a business bank account, to hire employees, and to file federal taxes. But the best part is, it is completely free, and you can apply for it directly through the IRS website in just a few minutes. And technically, Wisconsin doesn't require LLCs to have an operating agreement, but trust us on this, you will want one. This document lays out how your business runs, who owns what, how decisions get made, and what happens if someone wants out. It's especially helpful if you've got business partners, but even sometimes solo owners should consider having one. It adds legal credibility to your LLC. Depending on your business type, you might need to register with the Wisconsin Department of Revenue. For example, if you're selling products, you will need to collect sales tax. If you're hiring employees, you'll have to register for withholding taxes. All of this can be handled through My Tax Account. And also, don't forget to check if your city or county requires any special business licenses or permits. It varies by location and industry. To keep your business and personal finances separate and keep your liability protection intact, open a dedicated business bank account. And most banks will ask for the following: your articles of organization, your EIN, and possibly your operating agreement. Keeping things separate isn't just smart, it's legally important. Unlike some states, Wisconsin wants to hear from your LLC every single year. What you'll need to do is file an annual report to keep your LLC in good standing. And it's due at the end of the quarter in which your LLC was formed, and the fee is $25 if filed online. Put a reminder in your calendar so this one doesn't sneak up on you. Now, forming an LLC can feel like a lot, but it doesn't have to be. Here at Simplify LLC, we help business owners just like you handle all of the paperwork. We even act as your registered agent and keep your business compliant so that you can focus on the fun stuff, like actually running your business. So there you have it, your step-by-step game plan to start an LLC in Wisconsin. From choosing a name to filing paperwork and staying on top of reports, you are now in the know. If you're ready to get started, head over to simplifyllc.com. We'll walk you through it and make the whole process stress-free. And hey, if this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. We're here to help and answer those. We'll see you in the next video.